Hello, the internet. This is Togemiah180 Plays, and today we're going to be playing the third Ratchet and Clank game, Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. Let's pop this in and shoot some guns. Shoot some bots. That's what I mean. Ratchet and Clank is quite an interesting franchise, as it's still going on even to this day. While most PlayStation franchises have sadly ended their courses, Ratchet & Clank still goes on, even on the PS3 and PS4, and even PS5 with the latest game, Ratchet & Clank, for PS5. I don't remember the name. Alright, there are our main characters, Ratchet & Clank. I choose that one. Yes, empty.
Haha! My Blargian Snagglebeast devours your mutant swamp fly.
The reason I'm not playing
I bet you didn't see that one
the second one first is because
check and mate.
Going Commando
What?
is scratched. So I'm
That's
getting
cheating.
another copy of
The
Going
rules
Commando on
clearly state
PS2
that the Blargian
on
Snagglebeast
Amazon
has an
too.
allergic reaction to swamp flies that last 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
Mark Tart Casino.
Your luck is extraordinary, sir. But do you lose as gracefully as you will?
I would not know, Maximilian. I never lose.
There is a first time for everything. Agent Clank! You missed! So much for the famous secret agent.
Shocking. Bring the car around, Jeeves, and mind the ejector seat this time.
I see Ratchet is Clank's
Stay tuned for more Secret Agent Clank.
busboy. Or butler.
That was terrific.
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
But the man said to stay tuned.
We continue our live coverage from Veldin. Just hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Tyrannoids. Officials believe that an evil robotic supervillain known as Dr. Nefarious.
Oh, this is Dr.
mastermind
Nefarious'
behind
first
the
appearance
Tyrannoid
in the
attack.
Ratchet and Clank franchise.
As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Darla Gratch, Channel 64 News.
Look like it's Ratchet and Clank to the rescue.
We're going home.
You said, like a hero.
London is in the Solana galaxy. Oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive. The one you built from Blargian scrap metal.
Coming?
We are doomed.
You were saying?
I stand corrected.
I just hope we're not too late.
Oh boy.
I'm right there.
Greetings, Client 91802.
Okay,
and welcome back
as you can
to the
see,
Solana
the
Galaxy.
controls have improved a bit.
These must be the Galactic Rangers.
Hey, look! It's a new sergeant!
Huh?
Hey, Sarge, you can have my gun. There's too many of them! We're all gonna die!
Don't give up.
Circle to fire your shock blaster.
And here, alongside going commando, you can strafe, which is way better than just, you know, aimlessly shooting.
Am I glad to see you, Sarge? We're pinned down by that enemy vehicle. Somebody's gotta take it out.
Let me guess. That somebody is me.
We got a volunteer. Here, Sarge, take this. We'll cover you. There.
Cool gun.
Try using the nitro launcher against that vehicle. To select weapons,
Oh! And when you try to select weapons, the game pauses, so it's no longer tedious.
you can reverse the camera controls in the options menu. Your maximum nanotech level has increased.
Oh, sorry.
What's the situation?
The Noids have fallen back to a base in F sector.
The Noids did it.
F sector.
Hide your pizzas before he destroys
We're all
them.
gonna end up as scrap metal.
Get back in there, trooper. We've got a planet to save.
Sir, yes, sir.
The graphics have improved a lot recently.
Me, I'm afraid of heights.
I mean, the graphics have improved a lot for Ratchet and Clank standards. Everything's a lot more polished and more refined and more, well, larger.
Hiding anywhere. Watch out! They're coming out of the rubble! Here come the Noid dropships! Place those Tyrannoids! The doors have opened! Look out! Destroy that vehicle!
As you wish. Hey, my health expanded. Hooray!
Sir, we have a transmission from the president!
How are things on the front lines, soldier? Is that secret agent Clank?
Greetings, sir. We are here to help.
Well, this is an honor, and I see you brought your chauffeur along.
What? No. Hold on a second, sir.
Agent Clank, we must stop Dr. Nefarious. As you may know, only one man has ever faced him and survived. I've just received a top secret report on that man's whereabouts. Here, take a look.
On tonight's episode of Nature's Mysteries, we examine the Florana tree beast. Deep in the dense growth of Florana's Jambu forest lives a mysterious creature. Or maybe he doesn't. It's one of Nature's Mysteries.
I seen him run right through our camping site. He was buck naked, screaming and holding a banana. Or maybe it weren't a banana. It could be.
One of Nature's Mysteries.
Innuendo.
Legend tells that this mysterious creature is actually one of the greatest superheroes who ever lived. Shamed by his recent past, he is now one of Nature's Mysteries. Tune in and find out the answers.
We need you to find this man. The fate of the galaxy may depend on it.
Are you sure this is the guy you're looking for, Mr. President? Yeah, he seems like kind of a, wacko.
You may be right, but he's the best chance we've got. I know you boys won't let me down.
You can count on us, sir.
Look like I'm on a swamp. Can't buy this yet. Not gonna buy this yet. Sorry.
Your controller can be configured with multiple button maps, including a map that places the fire command on R1. To change to a different button map, press Start, then enter the Options menu and select Controls.
Ugh, thank goodness. Oh, come on! Alright, again.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick. The jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time. To perform a high jump, hold R1 and press X. To perform a long jump, run, then press R1 and X at the same time. You can Climb a ladder by jumping onto it and pressing X until you reach the top.
Alright, time to get that new gun. Kind of a shame that the green business salesman isn't here anymore. Yeah. Ooh, what is this?
Inferno
I'm
mode.
on fire!
Your armor and wrench attack have been greatly increased for a limited time. To jump between walls, jump, then press X in midair while next to a wall.
Screw you guys.
To jump between walls, jump, then press X in midair while next to a wall.
Zip
Use the
line.
zip line, stand under it, and jump.
Whee!
Ratchet, we have company.
Where?
Behind you.
Monkey!
Where?
One-eyed monkey.
Behind you.
Very funny. You having a good time?
It's Captain Quark!
Pass on sacred ground. Now you walk path of death.
But, sir,
Path of death.
To center the camera, tap L1.
Not be.
Okay, we walked your path of death.
I could have
Now,
died!
Tell us what you know about Dr.
I
Nefarious.
almost died!
Huh?
Dr. Nefarious! They say you're the only man to ever beat him.
Huh?
Jeez. This guy's even dumber than...
Captain Quark?
Yeah, Captain Quoof! That's it,
Yep,
Quark.
it's Captain Obvious.
This coming for a long time.
Oh, I can't blame him for being mad. Looks like the tables turned.
So, Quark has completely lost his mind. Now what?
Just keep the mask on. He thinks you are his new leader.
Great.
Incoming call.
This is Captain Sasha of the Starship Phoenix. The President has asked me to assist you.
Hi.
I see you have located Captain Quark.
Yeah, we got him, but, well, he thinks he's a monkey.
Of course. Bring him to the Phoenix and we'll see what we can do. Sasha out.
Look at that, Clank. This ship is amazing.
Welcome aboard the Phoenix, gentlemen.
Whoa.
Impressive, isn't she? The Phoenix is the pride of the galactic fleet. She's equipped with the latest technology. Holodeck training suite, auto vendors for armor and weapons, virtual firing range, starfighter upgrade system, even a Gadgetron VG9000 game system.
A VG9000?
It has everything.
With a Mavix Fireball
Johnny
Pro
Tusk would probably
controller,
love
VR
and
headset,
adore the thing
and a
since he's all about
0G
video
lens
games and
pad
cool
attachment.
things. Johnny Tusk is all about
Will
being
you
cool, which
marry
kind of
me?
makes him lame.
Well, you've obviously had an exhausting trip. Why don't you stop by your quarters? We prepared a custom living area for Quark, so he won't get in your way. Come meet me on the bridge when you're ready.
To view the world map, press select or R.
Yep, definitely the map.
3. Your weapon has upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically when they're used frequently. These are your quarters.
I set up the VG9000 to play vid comic discs.
I should play me one of these.
How do you think he got like this?
Well, the life of an intergalactic superhero can be very stressful.
Yeah. Anyway, you're telling me this nutcase is our only hope for stopping Nefarious? We're hosed.
This is the VG9000 game system. If you have a vid comic, you could play it here. Great. Meet me on the bridge. This is the Phoenix VR deck. Here you can train in combat simulations or practice using new gadgets. Welcome to the Phoenix Trophy Room. Whenever a crew member is awarded a Medal of Honor, it is displayed here.
Press triangle to interrupt these messages. You can disable help messages in the options menu.
We're losing the signal. Try boosting the power.
Isn't that the president?
They came out of nowhere! Tyrannoid invasion force! Presidential compound has been breached! Cannot hold out much longer here.
Mr. President! Dad! Are you there?
Yep. Ratchet
Robotic citizen.
Ratchet never met his father, which is just depressing.
The hour of your liberation is at hand. Too long
we robots suffered under the bigotry, the stupidity, the squishiness and foul stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and equality of my benevolent, iron-fisted rule. And as for you filthy organic life forms, you can look forward to being disintegrated.
He really steals the show a lot.
That's all for now.
Plot a course from Arcadia. Maximum speed. Prepare the dropship for planetary assault. We're going in.
We'll see you on Arcadia.
To view your current missions, select the missions menu from the pause screen.
Okay, everyone, I think that's enough for today. I'll see you all next time.